Welcome back. The part two of our topic health insurance. This is the second video of the link, and we'll be covering in this video the second W, why health insurance. पहले वीडियो में हम लोगों ने कवर किया था कि व्हाट इज़ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, जिसमें हमने आपको बताने की कोशिश की कि हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस क्या है, ये कैसे इवॉल्व हुआ, कहाँ से कहाँ तक कैसे आया। बट इसमें सेकंड वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे कि ज़रूरत क्या है हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस की, क्यों आज की तारीख में ये जो हम लोग बात करते थे रोटी कपड़ा मकान, जो थ्री बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ, उसमें अब ये चौथी चीज़ ऐड हो गई है, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, मेडिक्लेम। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट। जैसे आप जानते हैं कि मैं घर पे हूँ, आप सब घर पे हैं, एंड होप ऑल अस डूइंग सेफ ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक। द बिल्स इन करंट सिनेरियो, जो इस रिलेटेड कोविड-19 रिलेटेड बिल्स आ रहे हैं, जो खबरें आ रही हैं, सर्टेन हॉस्पिटल्स ने कुछ 16-16 लाख के बिल बनाए हैं। टीयर 1 सिटीज़ लाइक मुंबई, कोलकाता, चेन्नई, अहमदाबाद, मेट्रोस हैं जो, वहाँ पे 8-8, 10-10 लाख के पैकेज बन रहे हैं इस चीज़ के, कोविड-19 के। दो देर इज़ नो एक्टिव लाइन ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट, एज इन कोई पर्टिकुलर ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है। जैसे अगर हार्ट में किसी को ब्लॉकेज है तो एंजियोप्लास्टी, बाईपास, ये एक्टिव लाइन ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट है, मुझे मालूम है कि मुझे क्या करना है। बट यहाँ पे द ट्रीटमेंट इज़ सिम्टमेटिक, आपके जो सिम्टम्स हैं उसके हिसाब से आपको ट्रीटमेंट दिया जाता है। फीवर है तो फीवर का ट्रीटमेंट है, पेन हो रहा है तो पेन रिलीवर दिए जाएंगे। वो इट इज़ दैट काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रीटमेंट विच इज़ गोइंग ऑन, एंड बेसिकली ऑल वर्क्स अराउंड इम्यूनिटी एंड कोमॉर्बिडिटी की बंदे में क्या और चीज़ें हैं विच विल डिसाइड हाउ eventful is not the right word, but how difficult or simple that stay in the hospital going to be. Majority of people, as they are saying, are asymptomatic, जिनके पास कोई सिम्टम नहीं होता, दे डोंट नीड एनी हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन, बट the 3 to 4% death and around 10% of hospitalization, or maybe 5% of hospitalization in country like India will be difficult to handle. And the billing of such bills, like for such hospitalization which are coming now because of COVID-19, are on a higher side. जनरली इसके पहले जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि आई हैव बीन इनटू दिस सेक्टर फॉर 14 ईयर्स, तो 14 सालों में हमने एक चीज़ देखी कि आदमी 14 ईयर्स बैक 1 लाख का इंश्योरेंस वाज ओके, इट वाज ओके, लाइक चलता है। And over the 14 years, things have changed drastically. I have seen big claims, like normal thing, like angioplasty is 4-5 lakh ka bill. Bypass can go up to 10 lakhs. I'm just talking to a normal hospital term. This may go beyond, but I have seen appendix claim of 9-10 lakhs. I have seen dengue claim of to the extent of 3-4 lakhs. It is not that every claim is in that level, but there are claims which go beyond certain stipulated average. So those sometimes make you worry whether you are covered appropriately. So that, as I said, कि 2006-7 when I started 7, 1 lakh cover was okay. Like that time was the time when people were like not even looking at health insurance as something which is insurance. ओके ठीक है, कोई फ्रेंड ने बोला, कोई करीबी ने बोला, इफ़ योर एम्प्लॉयर इज़ गिविंग, then people used to have it, otherwise no. But over 14 years, things have changed. This industry is growing tremendously, and reason being, people are now coming to know that yes, a one hospitalization may give you such a big hole in your pocket which may take years to fill, years to fill. So some like average middle class people will not have that kind of saving that can be used for major hospitalization, the critical illness. So looking at those things, the kind of bills as we are seeing, forget about the COVID-19, which is current affair, may be there for some time, but will go somewhere down the line. But in general, hospitalization for other things is painful. And if we incorporate COVID 19 now, it is even more painful in terms of you don't know what treatment is, what you are treating for, just a symptomatic treatment, and which is costing very high. Like maybe 8 to 10 lakhs packages are being formed in hospital to treat the patient when there is no exactly no line of treatment. The vaccines are being in trial, लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं, बनेगी कब आएगी ये नहीं मालूम, बट एज ऑल आर सेइंग नाउ कि वी हैव टू स्टार्ट लिविंग विद इट. And when we say we have to start living with it, then we, with all the precautions, with all the social distancing measures, still if you start moving into like the word, things you are getting more prone to contracting disease, and in that case you need to have an appropriate cover. So if we talk in today's context, your coverage has to be there. If we talk in general, the era before COVID 19 and era which is going to come post COVID 19, the things are not that simple. The today's health system is such that if you are if you have that money which you can spend on your health, then even worst of the cases can be saved. Life can be saved by giving best of the treatment, but everybody will not have that kind of money. So to have that money, you need to have coverages. Worldwide coverages is one of the feature which currently insurance companies are coming up with. Though in current scenario nobody is going to go worldwide, but still the product are coming in line with the worldwide treatment. So that makes it more important. Life expectancy is going to increase and is increasing because of this healthcare system, and this will only help when you have an appropriate health insurance in place. So this is something you need to understand. There are people who think that I'm covered by my employer to a certain extent, but that is something, a policy which is there when your employer is there. If you're changing a job, whether if in current scenario many employer-employee policies are in danger. Uh, Maybe if they remain, there may be cut in the coverages and all. So scenarios are such that you need to be self-dependent, which is current word, hashtag Atmanirbhar. So be that, cover yourself and take your own responsibility. Don't be dependent on something which is not in your hand. Take an insurance cover which is appropriate and adequate. Thank you very much. Do like and subscribe and share this video. In the third part of this video, we'll be covering the third W is when you should take the health insurance. Do join in till now. Till then, thank you very much.